Hi, and welcome to RedTrack Unlock overview videos. In this brief tutorial, we'll show you how to add ad spend data to your campaigns. So let's go into the account, go to campaigns, pick up the campaign we want to add costs for. For example, this Google Ads campaign, go to edit, go to update costs tab, then pick up the period for which to update costs. For example, yesterday is fine. And then add the amount of or the ad spent for yesterday for Google Ads campaigns. So that, for example, should be 10. That's it. Apply. If you want to go really granular, of course, you can update costs not for the whole campaign, but for example, for specific campaign ID, etc., to make it even more granular, but that will take slightly more time and effort. Maybe you can do it on a weekly basis. So this was the instruction how to add costs for your ad spend to your campaigns in RedTrack Unlock. Again, to recap, you go to the list of campaigns, pick up the campaign you want to add ad spend data to, edit, update costs, and then pick up the period, provide the ad spend, and then you may make it even more granular up to the ad set, campaign, etc. level by using the data from the tracking parameters. Thank you. This was a brief overview of RedTrack Unlock.